Show you guys real quick how to diagnose a misfire. Quick and easy way while the motor's running. If you pop the plug on one of the coil packs or cylinders that you think's misfiring and nothing changes, that's your culprit. So got this first cylinder here on the bank, and now watch this when I pop this one. Hear how the motor changes. So plug that back in, it goes. Pull this one, nothing. So that basically tells me I got a misfire on this guy right here.